Hi! Ito naman next natin, yung Blackies na Mioscarada. Yan yung harap, side, side, top, back, and yung bottom. Open na natin. Here's Mioscarada, yung mga content. Here's the instruction. Buuin na natin. Yan, may body na, pati yung torso. Sama. May isa siyang extra na hand. Yan. Here's Mioscarada. Ganda, ang cute niya. Look at that. Meron din siyang tail. Yung tail dito sa likod, articulated din siya. Here's the stand. Sticker ng stand. Card. Here's Mioscarada. Ayan, with effects. Ang ganda, oh. Look at that. Beautiful. Angas, no? You know, pet. That's all. Please, thumbs up. Follow for more.